The JHC CNC Centerless Grinding Machine, the JHC 18S CNC6 AXES Valve Stem Special Grinding Machine has adapted a full cover for safety and convenience and meets regulation requirements. Japanese FANUC controls and operational panels are used on this model with a built-in cooling device for constant temperature, suitable for operations in any working environment and for a longer component service life. This machine adapts an Italian grinding wheel automatic balancing system. After setting the balancing range, the grinding wheel will automatically check the balance without any manpower to check the grinding wheel balance. Loading device. Up and down loading device. Work ejector device. Receiving device. This machine's dressing and feeding axis adapts the FANUC servo motor with high-precision linear guideway and ball screw, ensuring smooth movement and high-precision positioning. The oil mist collecting device can effectively recycle oil mist during the grinding. The temperature of the oil cooler device can be set to avoid oil deterioration caused by high temperatures and will avoid jamming the wheel spindle. This machine was designed for grinding valve stems for a special grinding machine. The special feeding mechanism is applicable to a certain range of diameter of valves for automatic loading. This device contains 14 sensors that can completely avoid the valve or any unexpected situation arising from safety issues. This machine's CNC program has an automatic compensation function, so there is no need to edit the grinding program. When finished, the grinding ejector automatically ejects the valve to the receiver to complete a fully automatic process. The operator only needs to add raw material. It is suitable for mass production of special grinding machines.